Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to craft portable explosives in Arknights Endfield. So let's get started. First, you'll need to unlock the packaging tech in the second tier of your technology tree. Now, this machine is what actually makes the explosives. But before you can use it, you need two key materials: amethyst parts and agatine powder. Now, to get the first one, the amethyst parts, you want to build a fitting unit just like this one. Then refine amethyst ore into fiber and process it in that machine. For agatine powder, you must first gather agatine plants from the wild. A reliable early spot is near the entrance to the valley pass. Once you've collected some, throw the agatine into the shredding unit to turn it into the powder. Now power up your packaging tech with an electric pylon, load in your amethyst parts and agatine powder, and start crafting. Now, the basic ratio is 5 amethyst parts, 1 agatine powder equals 1 industrial explosive. Now, after a short crafting timer, you can collect your bombs and use them from your inventory. And later on, you can even automate this whole process with resource unloaders and farms. And that's about it. Now you know how to make portable explosive in Arknights Endfield. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!